So I have two. One was this American Express we talked about last week was through that through that 85 buy. The main mistake for me is we had that great 3 day pop into 96, and this was just me not being stubborn, but still kind of stuck. Because I've been in the thing for a bit. I bought earlier through 90 where I didn't want to start. If I'm saying I'm looking to buy this and hold it back to the reach out the highs, I'm trying not to sell in those quick 3 day moves, which realistically I should be. And now it's kind of back to where I basically was buying it last week. So that was one of the main mistakes. And again, that's kind of the tricky part when short term you should take some off, but in your head you're like, if I'm saying I'm going to look to sell this at 130, 140, why am I looking to sell it if a few points higher?
Right.
And that's that's trading.